The JS Recon Automation Kit is officially public and it's 100% free. The very first thing I want to show you to make sure you guys get this right so your LinkFinder and SecretFinder works properly is go right here, and inside of the har.py script, I want you to go to this line right here, 452 and 453. And this is where my LinkFinder and SecretFinder scripts are. So wherever yours are, go ahead and put them in these lines. Or else you're gonna have to use the dash, and then supply your own LinkFinder, SecretFinder output. This just makes it way more seamless and easier to do. Just go ahead and do that in the har.py file. So now back to this. Just basically, this is what it does. So I think this most important part is the fact that it organizes it very cleanly. So you get two different directories and two different files. So you get the JS file, the JS directory, which contains all your beautified JavaScript files, LinkFinder, SecretFinder, and then your GF out for different things like IDOR, OAuth, secrets, etc. So how you clone, just go right here, quick start. All the stuff is in here in my GitHub. So if you like this, go ahead and start. Last thing, I just want to show you guys exactly how it works, which is going to be you import the har file, which you get from chrome.devtools, or however you get your har file. And from there, it extracts, it beautifies, runs LinkFinder, SecretFinder, GF patterns. And like I said before, it organizes the output. And then there's also a test all keys.sh, which helps you test for secrets/keys. Make sure if you get a 200 or it looks like it's successful, make sure you use follow up. You follow up with your own manual validation to make sure you're not reporting something that's actually just public information. And that's all I want to say. This is a really fast video. If you like this, make sure the GitHub link is going to be in the description below. If you like the video, subscribe and start my GitHub. And that's it for Logan's Tech.